Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Code. It's provide the complete solution in your career. Deloitte announced the exciting job opportunities for fresher. All graduates are eligible for this job role. There are two official job openings from Deloitte as a associate analyst class and associate analyst learning operation. I will be break down each and everything in details. You need to know about everything before applying. Why this is important for you? Because of you need to update your resume accordingly. It's very important. Let's start with associate analyst class. This job is open at Hyderabad location. Let me explain key skill and educational details for this job role. You should have the graduation degree in any stream. If you have the 1 year of experience, you are also eligible for this job role. Let me break down the key skill for this job role. You should have good verbal, written and communication skill and also adequate of email writing. You should have the basic knowledge of Excel, able to read the data. Use the Excel feature like sorting, removing duplicate and filtering the data. Also you have the experience of handling critical issue and tickets and good communication and behavioral skill with client and have the basic knowledge of PowerPoint. These all are the eligibility criteria. So you need to update the key skill in your resume accordingly. Another job opportunity is associate analyst learning operation. So this is also open at Hyderabad location. Let's break down the educational details and key skill required for this job role. You should have the graduation degree, MBA or postgraduate in any stream. If you have 0 to 1.5 year of experience, you are also eligible for this job role. Let me explain the key skill required for this job role. For this job role also you should have the good communication skill, verbal skill and written skill. Also adequate of email writing and should have the basic knowledge of Excel. Use the Excel feature like sorting, removing duplicate and filtering the data. And have the experience of handling critical issue, ticket monitoring and good communication skill and behavioral skill with client and have the basic knowledge of PowerPoint. These all are key skill for associate analyst learning operation. Kindly make sure update your resume accordingly. If you are interested for this job role, I will provide you the link in the description box. Check out the link and proceed your application. If you found this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon for more job updates. Thank you for watching.